The pre-required setup is in place with the embeddings and vector database. Let's begin multi-query retrieval. I am using Pinecone to store the vector embeddings and OpenAI's large language model here. We first initialize the multi-query retriever using an method. I have set the logging here as true to see the queries generated in the output. The first query is what is retrieval augmented generation. The main query helps generate three different queries inspired from it and fetches five unique set of documents. Here are the three different questions generated, which are similar to the user query, and the number of unique documents retrieved is 5. Since we have already fetched the documents, we now generate an answer based on it. The LLM is now given a prompt with the fetched documents as context along with the query as well as the template. The query, the context of all the 5 documents, and the template, which tells the large language model as to how to answer the question. Here is the generated response. This response is generated by using the context of the 5 documents which was fetched from the 3 different questions. The 3 questions were generated from the main user query. We now use LangChain's chain approach to link the components and give us the final output. The chain consists the retrieval part as well as the QA part. You can see the 3 different questions as well as the final output. We can also add a custom template to help the model create distinct set of questions from the user query, which will help fetch even better documents. Here is an example for it. We tell the large language model to answer the questions based on machine learning and related disciplines. Each query must tackle the question from a different viewpoint, as it will help us to get relevant search results. Let's try using the multi-query retriever again. We add the new prompt into the chain and rerun the multi-query retriever. You can see by the output that the new questions are different from each other, which promise to fetch documents with more relevance. This approach is seen to improve the retrieval process of RAG and in turn the overall output.